AOBC just started popping and I wanted to trade it, but I'm too late to that move. BIG hasn't really sold off. It's kind of hanging out right now. The market's not doing a whole lot. Looks like BIG might short squeeze. So I'm in long BIG because it looks like it's getting ready to squeeze, and there it goes. All right, just sold most of my. It was a very fast trade, guys. Don't even. Yeah, if it just happened. It happened very quick. I just noticed it was going to squeeze. It just kind of an instant thing. Keep an eye on AOBC. It looks like it's getting ready to move. All right, that's kind of already moving. So still holding 300 shares long on BIG here as it's kind of still pushing up. Just be the early morning pop before it returns to a short fade. AOBC is going pretty strong still. Still holding 300 shares long on BIG. Might be getting ready to take these shares off on BIG short. Still holding up over this 50 moving average though, so that's good. All right, so just took my shares off there on BIG, so it came out with about a $462 win. AOBC is still moving up. That ended up trading pretty nice there. Really wish I would have caught that one there. That would have been a great move. TENX just hit the scanner. Little penny stock might be something to watch. Extremely light volume. Yeah, I'm not hopping in there on TENX. It's just really light volume. It's starting to pick up, but I'd rather not mess around with that. BIG is actually starting to look pretty strong here. Kind of curled up over the 50 moving average. All right, I'm long on BIG. I'm long on BIG. Looks like it's getting ready to go for another push to the upside here off the 50 moving average. So currently long on BIG with 2,000 shares. Average is 33.28. 50 moving average is about to cross over, or sorry, the 9's about to cross the 50 moving average right now. So as long as we can hold up right here, should be okay. All right, the 9's very close across on the 50. We should get a push here. So still long on BIG. Looks like it's close to pushing. Not liking the way this candle's performing on BIG. I took some off there. Just didn't like the way that candle was performing. So took a lot off on that position. So just holding 500 shares long on BIG now. So still holding long, 500 shares BIG, looking for BIG to get up and over this price of 33.78. Gets over 33.78, we should have a good pop. Probably pushes at least up to the 2 or 100 moving average, then probably over 34. We break the whole dollar mark, we should get another nice pop. 34 is arguably this little interaction point as well. You can see there's a lot of sellers coming in here towards that previous high, trying to hold it down. I think we're going to get a break over this previous high candle as well. Might scalp it long over this previous high candle too. I think we might see a little bit of a short squeeze if it happens. So we're up and over that previous high, quick sell. And I'm not going to add over that level. Okay, guys, just sold half my position there on BIG, still holding 250 shares long. That penny stock TNX still actually trading pretty well. Not a big fan of the way it looks. There's really just no. I'd like to see some type of formation come into play here. Not really getting much there. Yeah, SPY just had a very nice bullish move, break into the upside. Still holding long 250 shares on BIG. We'll look to get out of here if it can't break this 34 level. And so I just took off BIG as it was struggling to break 34. So all out, so total of 900 gain on BIG this morning. Watching AOBC here. What happened with Cron? Not doing so hot. The market's going on a tear right now. Markets are moving up pretty fast. Yeah, keep an eye on your large cap stocks as well. Yeah, and keeping a close eye on this AOBC stock. It's got pretty good range for the price it is. Going to see if this maybe performs into a little bit of an ABCD pattern, or some type of bullish pattern, or to see if it fails and we start to break down. Kind of looks like AOBC might break down to the downside here, might look to short it. All right, I'm short on AOBC. Looking for it to break down here. We're in 3,000 shares. Short average is 1474. Looking for it to break this previous low candle. Can break the previous low, we should get a nice panic down. So still holding short on AOBC. Looking to see if this thing flushes out. It popped up really quick to the volume weighted average price, right back down, still holding. So this is the candle here on AOBC. We really want to break this 20 moving average and start breaking back down to new lows. This candle, if it breaks down, could really set the tone for the stock right now, but so far it's still holding up. All right, so all out of AOBC there. I took the trade off, just didn't want to get short squeezed just in case it tries to right now, which is what it kind of looks like it's going to do. So just took the trade off just in case it did short squeeze. Might need a little bit more time to set up before we get a breakdown. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll end that live trading video here for you guys on YouTube. Thank you guys again for tuning in as always, and stay tuned for the next one.